Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About today. Today we're going to learn about the Mocha Clownfish, or as other people like to call it, the caramel clownfish. Prices on them, you'll spend about $24 on them. Tank size, need a 20 gallon. Care level, super easy. He's great for beginners. Temper, he's very peaceful. Reef compatible, yes, he's a great reef fish. Temperature, keep it 72 to 78. DKH, 8 to 12. pH, 8.1 to 8.4. And your salinity, 1.023 to 1.025. Make sure you have that salinity right intact. And make sure it doesn't bounce up and down too fast, because their little lungs are very sensitive to salinity. Diet, they are omnivore. Make sure you're feeding them anything from mysis and brine shrimp, little frozen cubes. Feed them flakes, pellets, pretty much anything. Max size, they can get about 3 inches. Compatibility, just ask. I would definitely recommend that you get more than one, at least get 2, but a lot of times people will get like 4 of them and throw them in a tank, and they do fine together. Colors is that nice orange and white stripes going down them, and over time that orange on them turns black. It's really pretty. Origin, they are captive bred. Anemone wise, if you want them to host an anemone, I would definitely recommend rose bulbs or green bulb anemones. They seem to have the best luck at our shop, and having a big bulb anemone with like 4 of them swimming around in it, it is a very, very pretty sight to see. They are very hardy. A lot of times they're better to get for beginners than getting the normal Ocellaris Nemo looking guy, because a lot of times those are very, very picky and they die a lot. They die very easily. And if you get a Mocha, they're very hardy. At our shop, we've had a lot of trouble keeping the Ocellaris because they just don't ship very well. So a lot of times we stop getting those and we get more of the Mochas in because people just have a lot better luck with them. And also another fact, the female is always the larger one. That's it for today. That's the Mocha Clown. It's a great beginner fish, very hardy, and a very pretty clownfish. Hope you all have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my social medias, and I will see y'all later. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. I can't thank y'all enough from that. All started out with me just working in the fish store with an idea to let everyone know how to take care of some fish, and here we are 1,000 deep, and it feels great. So to celebrate, for the whole month of June, every single day, I'm gonna put out a new episode of All About some kind of fish, some kind of crustacean, maybe different things on how to take care of stuff, but just either way, every single day you're gonna be getting a video from me, and it's gonna be awesome, maybe even more videos. So here we go, stay tuned. Here comes celebrating 1,000 subscribers.